Hi, welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar. Myself Priya Adhikari. I started this channel to introduce English grammar. Most of the times children get confused while speaking English as they don't have confidence in speaking English. They make writing mistakes also. Why this happens as they don't have much knowledge of English speaking or English basics. So this is my small help to them. I have covered all English grammar topics with basics. So let's learn. My first topic is parts of speech. What are parts of speech? Parts of speech combine words to make a sentence. Now we can, in other words, we can say that if there are no parts of speech, there is no existence of a sentence. There are 8 parts of speech, namely noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. All these parts of speech combine together to make a meaningful sentence. Let's learn now. As I said earlier, let's learn noun. Now what is meant by noun? Noun is a naming word, means all things, human beings, living, non-living, whatever we see in our surroundings, all are naming words, that means nouns. Now we see so many things in our surroundings, right? So all things in our surroundings are nouns. All things have a particular name. It means we recognize each and everything by its name. So, all things are nouns only. We can see nouns in a particular category, like, or we can categorize nouns like person, place, things, animal and birds. Now see, our first category is person. Now, in person means all living beings or human beings categorized in person nouns. Like, see, we will see some examples. First, Geeta is a clever girl. Now, see, in this sentence, Geeta is a name of a girl. So, it is a noun. And the next word in the same sentence, girl, it is also a noun. So Geeta and girl both are nouns categorized in person. Now see the second example. Doctor examines patients. Now in these examples again you can see the word doctor, which is a human being, and the next word is patients. It is also human being. That means they both are persons, so they are also nouns, right? Now see the third example. Rohit stood in a bus row. Now in this example again you can see the word, that word is Rohit, which is again human being, that means person, so it is a noun categorized in person. Now see the fourth example. Seema writes an essay. In this example also you can see the word Seema, and it is a name of a girl or name of a human being or name of a person, so it is a noun. See, we'll see the next example. Fifth example, carpenter makes things out of wood. Again, in this example, you can see the word carpenter. Carpenter is again a person, so it is a noun, right? Now see the last example. Father gave me a favorite gift. Now in this example, again you see the word father, which we call person, so it is a noun and it is also categorized in person. Now we'll see the next category, which is place, right? Again we can see nouns in the place category. See, let's see some examples. First example here is Radha goes to garden in the evening. Now see, in this example you can see the word garden. Garden denotes a place, right? It means that it is a noun categorized in place. See the second example. Solapur is my native place. Now in this example again, Solapur is a name of a city. Place is also a noun. Solapur is also a noun. So both are nouns categorized in place. Now see the third example. India is my country. Here, India is the name of a country. Means now again we can say that it is the name of a place. Country is also a place. So both the words are nouns in the category place. Now see the fourth example. Mumbai is a city of dreams. Here also Mumbai is the name of a place or name of a city. So both the words in this example, Mumbai and city, are nouns in the category place. See the fifth example. My school has a big playground. Here school denotes place. Playground is also a place. So both the words are here nouns. Now see the next category, thing. Thing means again we can see all non-living things here categorized, or some living things also categorized here. Here are some examples. See the first example. I have a blue colored bag. Here you can see the underlined word bag. That means again bag is a thing, or we can say that it is a non-living thing. So it is a noun. Next example, Jaya likes to read books. Again in this example, books is a thing, or we can say that it is non-living thing. So it is a noun. Third example, we cannot watch stars in the morning. In this example again, stars we can say it is a thing, so it is a noun. Now see the fourth example, there is a pen on that table. Here also you can see that both pen and table, these both words are underlined. Both the words are nouns. It means it is non-living things. They are nouns. Fifth example, trees give us shade. Here trees is again it is a living thing, so it is again categorized in the thing, so it is a noun. Last sentence here, sun rises in the east. Here it is also sun is a noun. So all these are nouns in the category thing. We will see now the next category, which is animals and birds. Again, we see so many animals and birds in our surroundings. They are also nouns. Here are some examples for you. First example is here. Peacock is a national bird. See now, here peacock is the name of a bird. So peacock and bird, both the words are nouns because they are categorized in birds. Now second example, dog guards our house. Here dog is the name of an animal. It is a noun. Third example, fish is an aquatic animal. Here also fish we can say that it is the name of an animal. So or we can say that it is aquatic animal. So fish and animal, both words are here noun. Last example, lion is a king of jungle. So here lion is the name of an animal, and also it is also categorized in the heading animals. So that is also noun. So here you have seen so many examples in different categories like person, place, thing, animals and birds. All these words are nouns. Now we'll see some words in all categories. Here we can I have given you some examples of words. Here first is person naming words, right? So here we can say that person naming words means here we can say that all human beings are in this category. So here I read the names: Seema, Joy, Ganga, Yamuna, India, boy, girl, doctor, lawyer. All these words are in person naming category. Now see the next category, place naming words. Garden, park, theater, city, country, Japan, India, school, playground. All these words are categorized in the place. Now third is thing naming words. Here you can see living things and non-living things like bat, ball, tree, bottle, mirror, pen, pencil, watch, clock, book, table, chair. Now here all these words are nouns in the category thing. Here you can see non-living things also, and living thing example is also there, tree. So both words are in the category nouns. So now all these are examples of nouns. Understood my topic, this new topic noun. Please let me know your reviews in comments, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will come soon with next grammar video. Till then, goodbye and take care.